We got the new fight lights ready. Relax.
Oh my! Yeah, I'm black. I'm not gonna sit there and let you power up. Put the thing in! Oh, what the freak? Pardon our mess. Close your mouth. Bro, you know who's in there? Jack Baker.
Huh?
I don't know. No way, brother just sprinted at me like Usain Bolt. This is nightmare difficulty RE7. Guys, I don't want to hear no jokes. Oh, he's really good at that puzzle. What the freak? Open it up! Oh! I don't like that one either. Bro, I'm trapped behind here! I can't move! Fizz Time Pop Soda. Have a poppin' good time with Fizz Time Pop. Who came up with the slogan? I'm irritated. Am I supposed to, like, collect all of these? I don't know, Corey. Are you supposed to collect the collectibles? Go to bed. It's 3 a.m. I'm trying. Put it in.